Guys, I just received my S9 Plus from Samsung directly, so let's get straight to this. Quick features on the S9 Plus: a 6.1 to 6.2 inch screen, super speed, dual pixel 12 megapixel cameras that has a f1.5 plus aperture which gives you better picture in low light, a super slow-mo feature, 8 megapixel autofocus front camera, stereo speakers by AKG, water and dust resistant, iris scanner, 256 gig memory with 6 GB RAM, wireless charging, and earphones by AKG. Right, let's unbox this, and not to forget it's also dual SIM. In this pack it will contain your needle key to eject the SIM and micro SD card slot, a quick starter guide and other relative information on how to transfer your content, and I believe with this phone you'll get 2 years manufacturer's warranty. First impressions: the look of the design looks beautiful. They've kept the edge screen since the S7 Edge came out, which I absolutely adore. So let's have a look around the phone. On the top you will find different sensors with the front camera. Right on the back you will find 12 megapixel dual cameras with autofocus sensors, which gives you 2 times optical zoom with an f1.5 plus aperture. Top camera is wide and the bottom one is telephoto. We have a fingerprint sensor and a flashlight. On the bottom there is a headphone jack, a USB Type-C port for charging or data transfer, and I believe that is a mic. We've got the Bixby button, which can be disabled if you need to. Volume keys up and down. On the top of the phone is your card slot. Either add 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM and 1 micro SD card. The phone itself weighs in 189 grams. Right, let's power this up. You might find it a bit of a problem using one hand to function this phone. Click on start. Activate your Wi-Fi connection. Agree to the terms and conditions. Right, I'll skip the Google sign in for now. Name your phone. Right, time to protect your phone. As you can see, there are many options given. Choose your desired one. Right, best to select when your device is powered on, giving you that extra security for your content. Next it will take you to the notification settings, whether you want them to be shown or hidden when you receive them. We've got some more Google settings. Click on agree. Now if you have a Samsung account you can sign in and interact within the main features. We've got an option to transfer data from your old phone or by using Samsung Cloud. Some useful tips for you to know. Click finish and you're done. In the background you can see there are different software updates being installed. We've got a split screen and a snap window feature. Right, let's swipe up from the home button and you can see from here all your applications. Swipe down to close. We also have a back button. Scroll down from the top and we have a quick control panel to adjust most of the settings. The only new icons I can see on this phone from my S7 Edge is that it has a secure folder, edge lighting and Dolby Atmos. Right, let's watch a quick video. As you can see, scrolling up and down there is no lagging at all. Super smooth and quick loading. Okay, so let's watch the moment case and lens video. We've got the Dolby sound on, and guys, this sounds awesome.
I placed this order a week back and the total cost of the items cost me $166.87, including tax and shipping, as the item gets shipped from Hong Kong. Within 7 days I got my package and I'm super excited it's here with me. I don't have the S9 Plus yet, so I can't show you exactly how the setup looks like. For now, let's take a brief look at the case and the lens. Packaging seems nice with information about the case. It states it has a lens interface to connect to your moment lenses. Slim design with protection all over.
Let's go ahead and check out the main feature, which is the camera. So we have the 12 megapixel dual camera, picture looking nice and sharp. I will be doing another video on the footage and the images from the S9 Plus, so guys stay tuned for that. Right now I'm in selfie mode, and this feature is so handy. Just by raising my hand it will take a picture. Swipe down on an image and it will give you all the necessary information about the picture you have taken. In camera modes we have food, panorama, pro, live focus, auto, super slow-mo, AR emoji, which can be fun, and hyperlapse. The touch sensitivity and loading is super quick since it has a 6 gig RAM built in. Using the phone with one hand can sometimes be a problem because of its size. Overall usage of the phone is top notch and I can't complain. As I mentioned, the main reason why I bought the phone was because of its camera, and hopefully going forward I will be using the S9 Plus as my primary camera. Right, I almost forgot, coming back to the rest of the items you'll get a fast charge USB adapter, Type-C to USB connector, Type-C to micro USB connector, 2 pairs of earbud covers, AKG earbuds, and a Type-C charging cable. I'm sure you have spotted my moment case, so let's take a quick glance on how it looks. Fits in nicely and securely, looking beautiful. I'm highly impressed on how fast the focusing is on this phone, which is much better than my GH5 DSLR camera. Just to let you know, the price tag on this phone costs around £900 for a course of 24 months, which also includes a free upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy S10. So guys, overall I'm super excited to carry out different tests on the footage and images, and then I'll see how everything looks on my editing software too. I'll catch you in the next one guys. Peace.